has been just what we needed to see. It's a wake-up call. People who think they're comfortable in this squad, we've all had a wake-up call of what we can do and what we can't do. And it's been, I said at the beginning of the month when we started on the 24th.
First of all, man, me hate that. Me hate that. Me hate what him just say. Um, this is exactly what we needed. No, this is not exactly what we needed, coach. What we needed was a good Gold Cup to prepare us for the World Cup qualifiers. That's what Jamaica needed. Not an embarrassing performance in the Gold Cup and which leave people a call for your head for you lose a job. That's not what we needed at all, coach. And you mentioned say some players feel comfortable in the squad and blah 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 blah. We didn't know we know what we can do and now we know what we can do. Again, me said this in my last video, but I could tell the team was just unprepared. And this come from the coach. This come top down. The coach was unprepared. The coach never set the foundation. And know you're mad because the players basically have much energy. I don't think the coach as strict as he's supposed to be. I don't think this coach hold these players accountable. And I don't think at the moment he might get him points across to them. In terms of tactics, I don't think he's getting his point across to them well enough. So I disagree with the coach right this. This is not what we needed. We never need to get no wake-up call. In fact, why do we need a wake-up call? These players should know what the task at hand is. Them should have known say, oh, we need a good performance in the Gold Cup. Them should have known say, oh, the World Cup qualifiers are come up soon. We need to fine-tune with style of play. We need to fine-tune everything. Them supposed to know say when them put on the Jamaican shirt, supposed to have heart and fight. That's a minimum requirement. So this being a wake-up call, I can't agree with the coach, but hey, more power to you.